Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make spicy and crispy potato fry. So before getting into the video, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe and also hit the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you will get the updates. First, take a pan on medium to high heat and add 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, add the potatoes. I have taken 2 medium-sized potatoes cut into small cubes. Add salt to taste. So now cover with the lid and cook for 4 to 5 minutes. After 4 minutes, the potatoes started to get soft. So give them a quick stir and put the lid again and cook for 4 to 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes, my potatoes are done. They are nice and soft but not mushy, and a nice crispy golden crust is formed. And if your potato still needs some cooking, then cover with the lid and cook again for a couple of minutes. As you can see, the potatoes are nice and soft but not mushy because we didn't add any water while cooking the potatoes. For me, these potatoes look very good. They are crispy on one side and soft on the other side. But if you want crunchy potatoes, then fry for longer time without the lid. So now I am adding red chili powder to taste. You can add any spices of your choice, and I am going to mix this very well and cook for another 2 to 3 minutes and then turn off the flame. Spicy and crispy potato fry is ready. You can serve it with yogurt rice, curry leaves rice, or any rice of your choice. If this video was helpful to you, make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you again with a new video. Thanks for watching. Bye.